My name is Judith Gillespie. In my previous life I was Deputy Chief Constable of the Police Service of Northern Ireland, but for the last 4.5 years I've been working as an independent consultant. I'm on the Probation Board, the Equality Commission and the Garda Policing Authority, so a number of board positions as well as some independent consultancy. During my time as a police officer I studied on a part-time basis at the University of Ulster, as it was in those days, and I graduated with a BA in Public Policy and Management, and that was in 1991, way back in the day, and it was a real honour to be invited later in life to become a visiting professor at my alma mater, and it's with great pleasure that I go back and recall my days walking along the Mall at Jordanstown and engaging with the students there, and it's really great fun and it keeps my saw sharp. The students ask really insightful questions and I must say it really keeps me sharp.